Come on. Why are you not working today of all days?
Good morning, David. Are you talking to the coffee machine? It sounds like you are having a serious conversation.
Good morning, Emma. I am having a very serious conversation with this machine. I need my morning coffee, and it has decided to stop working completely.
Oh no, that is the worst thing that can happen on a Monday morning. What is it doing, or what is it not doing?
It's not doing anything. I put my favorite mug under the spout, I pressed the button for a cappuccino, and nothing happened. No sound, no coffee, nothing.
That is strange. Usually it makes a lot of noise when it grinds the beans. Did you try pressing the button again?
I have pressed it 5 times. I even tried a different button for an espresso, just to see if that would work. Still, nothing. The machine is broken.
I can see you are very tired. You haven't had your caffeine yet. Let me take a look. Maybe it's a simple problem we can fix.
I hope so. My brain doesn't start working until I have my first cup of coffee. This is a disaster for my productivity.
Let's not panic yet. 2 heads are better than 1. We can try to figure this out together. Okay, let's start with the most basic and common problem. Is the machine plugged in properly?
Plugged in? I assume so. It's always plugged in. No one ever unplugs it.
I know, but sometimes the plug can become a little loose in the socket. Let's just check to be sure. Can you follow the power cord?
All right, let me look behind the machine. Yes, the cord goes to the wall socket here. It feels... Oh, it is a little loose. Let me push it in firmly.
Okay, is it secure now? Try pressing the power button on the front of the machine. Does the screen light up?
Yes, it's pushed in all the way. I'll press the power button. Yes! The screen is on. Emma, you are a genius. I think you fixed it.
I am glad it was a simple fix. Now try making your cappuccino again.
Okay, here we go. I'm pressing the button and nothing. The screen is on, but the machine is still not doing anything.
Okay, so it has power, but it's still not working. What is the next most common problem? The water! Let's check the water tank.
The water tank is on the side. Let me pull it out. Oh, it's completely empty. I guess that would be a problem. I can't believe I didn't check the water. I feel a little foolish now.
Don't worry about it. When you're tired, it's easy to miss the simple things. Just fill the tank with some fresh water from the tap.
Okay, I'm filling it up to the max line now. It's full. I'll slide it back into the machine. It clicked into place.
Great. Now, this time it has to work. It has power and it has water. Try pressing the button for the 3rd time.
This is the moment of truth. I am pressing cappuccino. I hear a noise, but it's just a small click and then nothing again. A little red light is flashing now.
A flashing red light? That's new. Okay, so it's not the power and it's not the water. What's next? Let's check the beans.
The coffee beans are on top. I'll open the lid. No, the container is full of beans. So that is not the issue.
What about the other end of the process, the container for the used coffee grounds? Sometimes the machine stops if that is full.
Good thinking. Let me pull out the tray. Here is the little container for the grounds, and nope, it's empty. Someone must have emptied it last Friday.
So it has power, water, beans, and an empty grounds container, but now there is a flashing red light. This is a real mystery.
So, what does this flashing red light mean? It's a new clue in our investigation.
Let's look at it more closely. Is it just a light, or is there a symbol or an icon next to it? Sometimes there is a picture that explains the problem.
You are right. It's not just a light. It's very small, but there is a little symbol next to it. It looks like maybe some drops and a little arrow. I'm not sure.
Drops and an arrow? That's not a very clear symbol. It could mean many different things. Is there any message on the display screen?
No, the screen just shows the time and the different coffee options. There are no words or error messages, just this mysterious flashing light.
This is more complicated than I thought. A symbol like that is an error code. The machine is trying to tell us what is wrong, but we don't speak its language.
So we need a translator. We need to find out what this specific symbol means for this specific coffee machine.
Exactly. There must be an explanation somewhere. The first place we should look is the instruction manual.
The manual, of course. It must have a page that explains all the warning lights. Do you have any idea where we might find it?
I think the office manager keeps all the manuals for the kitchen appliances in one of the drawers. Let's start looking.
Okay, let's search for this manual. It's our only hope for getting coffee today. Which drawer do you think it's in?
I remember seeing a big pile of manuals and instruction booklets in the bottom drawer next to the refrigerator. Let's try there first.
All right, I'm opening the drawer. Wow, you were right. There are a lot of manuals in here. I see one for the microwave, the dishwasher, the toaster.
Is there one for the coffee machine? It should be a small booklet with the brand name on the front. What brand is our machine?
Let me check the front of the machine. It says Caffematic 5000. So we are looking for a Caffematic manual.
Okay, I'm looking through the pile. I see manuals for everything, but I do not see one that says Caffematic.
Are you sure? Maybe it's stuck between the pages of another manual. Let me look too. No, I can't find it either.
That's strange. The office manager is usually so organized. Where else could it be? Maybe in the cupboard above the machine?
Good idea. Let me open the cupboard. There are some boxes of tea, sugar packets, and old mugs, but no manual.
So, no manual in the drawer and no manual in the cupboard. This is not good. We are so close to solving the mystery, but we are missing the key.
We cannot find the paper copy of the manual anywhere. This is a real problem.
Don't give up yet, David. We are living in the 21st century. If we can't find the physical manual, we can probably find a digital one.
A digital one? What do you mean?
I mean, we can search for it online. Almost every company puts the manuals for their products on their website as a PDF file.
Of course. Why didn't I think of that? I can use my phone. That's a brilliant idea, Emma.
Thank you. You just need to search for the right information. We need the brand and the exact model number.
We know the brand is Caffematic. Let me look for the model number. There's usually a small sticker on the back or the bottom of the machine.
Can you see it? You might need to turn the machine a little bit.
Yes, I see it. Here, on the back. The model number is CM5000X. Okay, I'm typing it into the search bar on my phone now. Cathematic CM5000X User Manual PDF.
Did you find anything? Is it available online?
Yes. The first result is a link to the official user manual on the company's website. I'm downloading the PDF now. We have the manual.
Great! You have the manual on your phone. Now we can finally figure out what that flashing light means.
The PDF is open. It's a 50-page document. Where should I look? I don't want to read the whole thing.
Most manuals have a table of contents at the beginning. Look for a chapter called Troubleshooting or Warning Lights and Error Codes.
Okay, I see the table of contents. Yes, there is a section called Troubleshooting Guide on page 42. I'll go to that page.
Perfect. Now, does that page have a list of symbols and their meanings?
Yes, it does. It has a table with pictures of all the different warning lights. Let me scroll down and find the one that looks like drops and an arrow.
Do you see it? What does it say?
I found it. The symbol with the drops means the machine requires a descaling cycle.
Descaling? What does that mean? Does it mean it needs to be cleaned?
It seems so. The manual says, over time, mineral deposits from the water can build up inside the machine. A descaling cycle cleans these deposits. So the machine is blocked and needs a special cleaning? So the manual says the machine needs descaling. Can we do that now? I want my coffee.
Let's read the instructions in the manual. What do we need to do to run a descaling cycle?
It says we need a special descaling solution. It's a liquid that we have to mix with water and put into the water tank.
A special cleaning liquid? Do we have any of that here in the office kitchen?
I can look in the cupboard under the sink. That's where we keep the cleaning supplies. Let me check. No, I see dish soap and surface cleaner, but nothing that says descaling solution.
So we don't have the most important ingredient. We can't run the cycle without the special liquid.
The manual also says the process takes about 30 minutes. You have to press a combination of buttons to start the special cleaning mode, and then it flushes a lot of hot water through the system.
That sounds quite complicated. And if we do it wrong, we could damage the machine even more.
I agree. I don't feel comfortable doing a special maintenance cycle on an expensive office machine. This feels like a job for someone who knows what they are doing.
I think you are right. We have done a great job diagnosing the problem, but I think fixing it is not our responsibility. We can't fix it ourselves.
So we know what the problem is, but we can't fix it. What do we do now? Just leave a note on the machine for everyone else?
A note is a good idea for the short term, so nobody else wastes their time trying to use it. But we need to officially report the problem so it can be fixed properly.
Who do we report it to? Is there a specific person for this kind of thing?
Yes, in our company, any problems with office equipment should be reported to the facilities department. They are responsible for maintenance and repairs.
The facilities department. Okay, how do I contact them? Do I just call them?
You could call, but the official procedure is to send an email to the maintenance request email address. That way, they have a written record of the problem.
An email. Okay, I can do that. What should I write in the email?
You should be very clear. The subject line should be broken coffee machine in the kitchen. In the body of the email, explain that the machine is not working and is showing an error code that means it needs to be descaled.
So I should tell them everything we discovered? That we found the manual online and diagnosed the problem?
Absolutely. That will be very helpful for them. It will save them a lot of time. They can bring the right cleaning solution with them. I'll write a quick, out-of-order note for the machine while you write the email.
Okay, I have just sent the email to the facilities department. I explained the problem and everything we found.
Great. And I've put a note on the machine that says, out of order, needs descaling, facilities have been notified. That should stop people from trying to use it.
We make a very good team of detectives, Emma. We identified the problem, found the cause, and reported it to the correct people.
We did. Unfortunately, all our great detective work has not resulted in us getting any coffee.
You are very right. And I still desperately need some caffeine to start my day. This whole process has taken almost 20 minutes.
I know. I was looking forward to a nice latte. So, what is our alternative solution?
I have an idea. There is that nice little coffee shop just across the street from our office building. They make excellent coffee.
Are you suggesting we take a short break and go buy a coffee from there?
That is exactly what I am suggesting. We can't work without coffee, so it is a necessary expense for our productivity. We can be back at our desks in 15 minutes.
David, that is the best idea you have had all morning. Let's go. My treat for all your help with the investigation.